Hi and welcome back to my channel EdBhoomi Ground for Education. I am Bhumika Batra discussing the steps and the alternates to be an expertise in a field. In this video, I'm going to cover the artistry of how to write the literature review paper workshop, which is going to be held on EdBhoomi from tomorrow into two slots. Slot 1, 7 to 8 a.m. and slot 2, 4 to 5 p.m. You can choose any of the slots as per your suitability. The content of the workshop will include how to choose the topic, how to target your journal, how to look for the articles, how to choose an appropriate title for your manuscript. Then, in the manuscript, how to look for different methodologies which needs to be adopted while writing the literature review paper. Also, with every methodology, each and every citation will be provided for your reference to look for the particular articles. So, what are you waiting for? Today is the last day. Get yourself enrolled and don't miss this opportunity to learn the artistry of how to write the literature review paper. The brochure of the workshop is attached at the end of the video and the registration link is mentioned in the description box below. I hope this video is helpful to you to understand what all the topic which we're going to cover in that workshop. I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.